cultivated and feeded.
8 to 12 years, depending on the breed. We don't really know what exact breed she is.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know you own it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you.
Oh, look at this. Big belly. Not a Canada goose. Yeah, sure, let's encourage that. Uh-huh. Bye, penguin. Bye, wolf.